This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about paper bags, specifically these bag tech paper bags. They come in 5 sizes and 4 colors, making them a great option for your establishment, whether it's a retail store or a food establishment. So you have your 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12-pound size bags. And they come in a variety of colors. You can see here we've got the black up and folded out, but it's also available in craft, newsprint for a fun touch, or white, meaning that you have a lot of colorways and size options to find those things that are a perfect fit for your retail needs. They're made of high-quality recyclable paper, making them a great eco-friendly option. And they come flat-packed and pop up easily, making them easy to both store and use. They're great for packing lunches or other to-go items, and they're easy just to fold over the top for a nice, clean finish. If you want to add some branding or something of that nature and keep it secure, you can always add things like a cute little sticker, either indicating what's inside or with your company logo on it for adorable little to-go lunches or other items for, say, a retail store if you're looking to make a grab-and-go section. The small sizes make great options for party favors, prizes, gifts, or treat bags if you're doing parties, whether that's just someone at home looking to plan for your child's next event, or if you're running, say, a party planning business, catering, or maybe some sort of dessert style business. And the larger sizes are great for things like maybe if you're doing movie night and you want to do things like popcorn or bulk items, things that are big and light, and you want something nice to present those in. Those are a great option as well. But these paper bags are also a great thing that can fit in for retail stores as well. So anywhere you would want a paper bag to pack up merchandise, say maybe something that's delicate or needs something a little more sturdy than your typical, say, plastic bag, and especially if you're looking for options that are recyclable, this can make a nice, great option for you. The lighter colors especially, and the craft and the white are a great place where you could always put a stamp if you're looking to add some branding. And they're easy to add that finishing visual touch, say with a sticker, either to indicate a flavor or maybe add your company logo to any of the colors. So these make a great option for to-go, for packed lunches if you're doing catering, or even just any retail shop, whether you're selling jewelry or pastries.